New languages, new you. Kotoba camp.
Stir.
Stir.
To move something around with a circular motion. To cause movement or change. A state of excitement or disturbance.
搅拌、搅动，引起骚动、激起。
When you stir the hot water into cold water, the coffee particles dissolve at different rates based on temperature. Chemical reactions occur more rapidly when you stir the solution to increase molecular collisions.
The discovery of ancient artifacts in the dig site stirred great excitement among archaeologists.
The debate about climate change continues to stir passionate discussions in environmental forums.
The musical performance stirred deep emotions among the audience with its innovative interpretation.
Stirring.
Stirring.
The stirring symphony moved the entire concert hall to complete silence. Stirred.
Stirred. The stirred solution showed immediate color changes during the experiment.
Agitate, mix, shake, disturb.
搅动、混合、摇动、扰动。
Settle, calm, still, rest.
沉淀、平静、静止、休息。
Stout.
Stout.
Strong, firm, and solidly built, resolute and determined. A strong, dark beer made with roasted malt or barley.
强壮的、坚固的、坚定的、果断的烈性黑啤酒。
The stout walls of the medieval fortress have withstood centuries of geological and weather forces. The stout branches of ancient redwoods provide essential habitats for diverse forest species.
Despite economic pressures, the company maintained a stout defense of its environmental policies.
The indigenous community showed stout resistance to the exploitation of their ancestral lands.
These stout support beams were engineered to withstand severe seismic activity.
Stoutly.
Stoutly.
They stoutly defended their research methodology against academic criticism. Stoutness.
Stoutness. The stoutness of their mathematical proof impressed the entire academic community.
Robust, sturdy, solid, resolute.
强健的、结实的、坚固的、坚决的。
Weak, fragile, delicate, flimsy.
虚弱的、脆弱的、纤细的、薄弱的。
Strap.
Strap.
A narrow strip of material used for fastening or securing. To attach or fasten with a strip of material.
带子、条带，用带子固定、系紧。
Ancient mariners fastened their navigational instruments to the deck with leather straps during rough seas. The artifact's preservation relied on carefully strapped protective coverings during transport.
The nomadic tribes developed unique strapping techniques for securing their astronomical tools.
The excavation equipment must be properly strapped down before moving to a new site.
The metal straps on the ancient chest provided crucial evidence about metallurgical techniques.
Strapped.
Strapped.
The delicate instruments remained strapped in their protective cases throughout the journey. Strapping.
Strapping. The strapping system preserved the integrity of fragile specimens during field studies.
Secure. Fasten, bind, attach.
固定、扣紧、绑住、附住。
Loosen, unfasten, detach, release.
松开、解开、分离、释放。
Stride.
Stride.
To walk with long decisive steps. A long step. Significant progress.
大步走、阔步、发展的进展、显著进步。
Ancient footprints in volcanic ash preserve the distinctive stride patterns from thousands of years ago. Wild gazelles maintain a graceful stride while crossing vast grasslands during migration.
Each stride of the cheetah propels it forward at remarkable speeds across the savanna.
Modern athletes have made incredible strides in breaking long-standing Olympic records.
The analysis of prehistoric human stride patterns reveals crucial information about early movement.
Striding.
Striding.
The striding motion of migrating birds helps conserve energy during long flights. Strides.
Strides. Solar technology has made remarkable strides in efficiency.
Advance, progress, development, headway.
前进、进步、发展、进展。
Regress, retreat, decline, setback.
倒退、撤退、衰退、挫折。
Stun.
Stun.
To shock, amaze. To render senseless or unconscious. A state of shock or bewilderment.
使震惊、使昏迷、使晕眩、震惊、晕眩状态。
The discovery of perfectly preserved dinosaur eggs stunned paleontologists worldwide. Marine biologists observed how electric eels stun their prey with powerful voltage discharges.
The unexpected solar eclipse stunned ancient civilizations across the Mediterranean.
Quantum tunneling experiments stunned physicists by defying classical mechanical principles.
The rapid extinction of multiple species has stunned environmental scientists.
Stunning.
Stunning.
The stunning complexity of coral reef ecosystems challenges marine conservation efforts. Stunned.
Stunned. The stunned audience witnessed an unprecedented astronomical phenomenon.
Amaze, shock, astonish, dumbfound.
惊奇、震惊、使吃惊、使哑口无言。
Expect, anticipate, prepare, foresee.
预期、预料、准备、预见。
Stunt.
Stunt.
To prevent or hinder from normal growth or development. A feat displaying unusual skill or daring.
阻碍生长或发展，特技动作、危险动作。
Environmental toxins can stunt the growth of sensitive aquatic organisms. Prolonged drought conditions stunted the development of native plant species.
Poor soil conditions can severely stunt crop yields in agricultural regions.
Malnutrition during early childhood can stunt cognitive development.
Social isolation can stunt emotional growth in developing organisms.
Stunted.
Stunted.
The stunted trees on the mountain slopes reveal harsh environmental conditions. Stunting.
Stunting. The stunting effect of pollution on marine life concerns oceanographers.
Inhibit, impede, restrict, suppress.
抑制、阻碍、限制、压制。
Promote, foster, nurture, facilitate.
促进、培养、养育、促进。
Sturdy.
Sturdy.
Strongly built. Able to withstand hardship, strain, or rough use. Physically strong and robust. Durable.
坚固的、结实的、强健的、耐用的。
The sturdy cell walls of certain bacteria enable them to survive in extreme environments. Desert plants develop sturdy root systems to survive in arid conditions.
The sturdy construction of ancient Roman aqueducts has withstood centuries of weathering.
Mountain goats maintain sturdy footing on steep alpine cliffs.
The sturdy framework of coral skeletons provides habitat for numerous marine species.
Sturdiness.
Sturdiness.
The sturdiness of bamboo makes it an excellent sustainable building material. Sturdily.
Sturdily. The sturdily built microscope withstood years of laboratory use.
Robust, strong, solid, durable.
强健的、坚强的、结实的、耐用的。
Fragile, weak, delicate, flimsy.
脆弱的、虚弱的、精致的、薄弱的。
Stylish.
Stylish.
Fashionably elegant, sophisticated, and tasteful.
时髦的、有格调的、优雅的。
The stylish architectural design of ancient Greek temples influenced centuries of Western art. The stylish adaptations of deep-sea creatures reflect evolutionary sophistication.
The Fibonacci sequence creates stylish spiral patterns found throughout nature.
Butterflies display stylish wing patterns that serve both aesthetic and protective functions.
The stylish arrangement of atoms in crystal structures fascinates materials scientists.
Stylishly.
Stylishly.
The stylishly designed laboratory equipment combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. Stylishness.
Stylishness. The stylishness of natural geometric patterns inspires modern design principles.
Elegant, sophisticated, chic, refined.
优雅的、精致的、别致的、精炼的。
Unstylish, unfashionable, plain, dowdy.
不时髦的、过时的、朴素的、邋遢的。
Subdue.
Subdue.
To overcome, conquer or bring under control. To soften or tone down.
制服、征服，使平静、抑制。
Antibiotics can effectively subdue bacterial infections in the human body. The immune system works to subdue pathogens that enter the organism.
Conservationists struggle to subdue invasive species, threatening native ecosystems.
Scientists attempt to subdue the harmful effects of greenhouse gas emissions.
Advanced treatments help patients subdue chronic pain symptoms.
Subdued.
Subdued.
The subdued activity of dormant volcanoes can suddenly intensify without warning. Subduing.
Subduing. The subduing of harmful bacteria requires precise antimicrobial strategies.
Control, suppress, overcome, tame.
控制、抑制、克服、驯服。
Intensify, amplify, strengthen, increase.
加强、放大、增强、增加。
Submarine.
Submarine.
A vessel capable of operating underwater. Existing, occurring, or used under the surface of the sea.
潜水艇，水下的、海底的。
Submarine volcanic eruptions create unique geological formations on the ocean floor. Submarine hydrothermal vents support diverse ecosystems in the deep ocean.
The submarine canyon systems channel nutrients from coastal waters to the deep sea.
Submarine landslides can trigger devastating tsunamis along coastal regions.
Bioluminescent organisms illuminate the submarine environment of the deep ocean.
Submerge.
Submerged.
The submerged ruins of ancient civilizations provide valuable archaeological data. Submersion.
Submersion. The submersion of coastal wetlands threatens critical marine habitats.
Underwater, subaqueous, subsea, marine.
水下的、水中的、海底的、海洋的。
Surface, terrestrial, aerial, atmospheric.
表面的、陆地的、空中的、大气的。
Well done. Take a break and remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's keep our learning motivation fresh.
A different language is a different vision of life.